Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in your Buick Enclave. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective gloves and safety glasses. It's crucial to work with a cool engine, so make sure your vehicle has been off for a while. Next, locate the low-pressure service port, usually marked with an L cap, which is essential for the recharge process. Always consult your owner's manual for specific component locations. Once you've identified the low-pressure port, securely attach the AC recharge kit hose to it. Listen for a click to confirm a proper connection, which is vital to prevent any refrigerant from escaping. After connecting, start your Buick Enclave's engine and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. This prepares the system for optimal refrigerant intake. With the engine running and AC on full, begin adding the refrigerant. Press the trigger on the can in short, 5 to 10 second bursts, rotating the can slightly as you do. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge on your recharge kit. It's crucial not to overfill the system, which can cause damage. Stop adding once the gauge reads within the recommended pressure range for your vehicle. After reaching the correct pressure, quickly disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port. Replace the cap securely to prevent dirt and moisture from entering the system. Finally, check for any leaks around the port using a soapy water solution. Look for bubbles. For more great tips and other deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.